Harry is on his way to his first vet appointment to get his booster.
Going for a car ride. Rolling, summer breeze.
So we just pulled up. He's got his go bag. And we are going into the vet's office. See, poor baby's so gotta get shot.
We were in the exam room and we were waiting on Dr. Staley. So they took me back and weighed me, but I don't know how much I weigh yet. Yeah, it's a poor puppy. He's gonna get shots.
So we're all done. He got 2 vaccines and he had to have ear drops. Poor baby. But we're good for 3 weeks and then we come back for another booster. So follow Harry for some more fun. Well, not today was fun. Say today was not a good day, Mommy. No, say today's not a good day.